Myself, SP Mangurkar, would like to revise on drugs and dosage form. Now, drugs. What do you mean by a drug? Drug is an agent used for diagnosis, mitigations, treatment, cure, or prevention of disease in human being and animals. Dosage form. What do you mean by dosage form? Dosage form are certain amount of drugs taken internally or externally for diagnosis, treatment, or prevention of the disease. It contains active drugs and excipients. They are the final products containing the drugs that is administered to the patients. Now, classification of dosage form: solid dosage form, semi-solid dosage form, liquid dosage form, and gaseous dosage form. Solid dosage form. It is further classified into unit dosage form and bulk dosage form. Unit dosage form are the examples of tablets, capsules, whereas bulk dosage form, powders and dusting powder. Now, semi-solid dosage form. Semi-solid dosage form examples are cream, paste, gels, and suppositories. Liquid dosage form. These are classified into monophasic liquid dosage form and biphasic dosage form. So, monophasic dosage form examples are syrup and solution. Biphasic dosage form examples are emulsion and suspension. And gaseous dosage form examples are inhalation and aerosols. Next, solid dosage form. Solid dosage form examples are tablets. They are the unit dosage form containing active ingredients and suitable excipient. They are of various size, shape, thickness and are being prepared by the help of various methods. Next, capsules. Capsules are the unit solid dosage form that are stored in a gelatin based shells. These are of two types: hard gelatin capsule and soft gelatin capsules. Next, lozenges. Lozenges are the hard tablets that are to be swallowed into the mouth cavity. They are prepared from the hard base, sugar, water, and contains various drugs and other flavoring agents. Next, liquid dosage form. Liquid dosage form are further classified into elixirs, syrups, solution, emulsion, and suspension. Elixirs are the certain drugs that are dissolved in alcohol, water base, added sugar, and flavoring agents, whereas syrup are dissolved in water and sugar. Solution are the preparations that are being dissolved in water or other solvent. Emulsions are the mixtures of oil and water prepared by the help of emulsifying agent. Suspension are the preparation where the solid particle get diffused in the solution. Next, semi-solid dosage form. Semi-solid dosage form, the examples are cream, that are semi-solid, emulsion, that is a mixture of oil and water. It is further classified into oil in water type of emulsion and water in oil type of emulsion. Now, gases. Gases, the examples are inhalation. Inhalations are the fine powdered drug substances, solution or suspension, and are administered by the nasal or oral respiratory route for local or systemic effect. They are being administered or by the help of aerosols. Thank you. So, in these conditions, as corona has been developed a lot into whole of the world, now I would like to say you that you to be safe, stay at home and take care of everybody at home. Thank you.